How?
When they try to get her out, Andrea said it was what a hard time it was just to get her to put her feet in straight angles. And she's like,
She cannot move it.
she's like,
Birthday gift. Oh, this is nice earrings. Son, did you see this?
very nice.
I'm doing good, ma'am.
What can I do for you?
Because we got a cure treatment to your dog.
You gonna cure my dog?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Tommy got a haircut today, guys. Look at him.
Good morning, Philippines!
Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda sa labas ngayon. So green. And then nag-start na yun. Did you notice the tree starting? Roxy's tired guys. We still want to play like yeah. It's a perfect day for them. Like the wind. Yes, you're talking about you, baby. Stop whining, Bug. I don't even eat yet. I don't even eat my bread yet, and you are whining for yours. Really? We feed you first. Dada did. Yeah, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Uminom na ako ng tubig. Tamit, so you drink water, right? Na-miss ko yung breakfast na mga itlog, hotdog, dried fish, rice and coffee, di ba? Why you need your car key?
Your air pump.
Ah, you pump the freaking wheels.
Yeah. I think that would be a good idea, right?
Nah, if I cannot drive it anyway until.
We gotta make sure the blades are working.
Okay.
Not moving it. Unless you want to stick your head under there. Well, actually, I might stick my head under there.
You're right. You want my head to be sticking there and you cut my head.
Yeah, but
Why you got soap? For downstairs? Tignan nyo guys, for the birds. Unbelievable. He hide treats for the dog and cats.
You know I always keep treats in the car. You used up my treats, so I had to put more.
Battery. Where did you get all this bird feeder? Bird seed?
Someplace I got them every time.
Di ko talaga magits itong tawa na to. How? Careful, I cannot go out because of that thing. Bye-bye to Dada. We're gonna follow, not you guys. The dogs.
If you guys would get in the car, I'd take you. But you don't like the car. You give me a hard time.
La.
Fine.
I love you, hon.
Love you too.
I will talk to you later.
Hi, guys.
Drive careful. The wind is kicking.
Right, make sure everything's locked before you leave.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Umalis na si Tommy. And I'm going to follow him. I will follow you. Magpaluyo na ko ni mo. What are you crying? I heard you crying. Where are you? You are such a scotch. Why you just have to cry? Why you have to cry, huh? Why? Why you have to cry? Now, guys, it's so green na sa labas. Ikakat na yan. Oh, dalhin ko to, guys. Itong relo na to. Bigay ito ni Biyanan. Old watch. Original. Galing Italy. Bigay ito niya sa akin. Pero may problema ako nito eh. Yung battery patay. Maganda kasi ito guys. Gustong gusto ko kahit simple lang siya. Alam nyo dahil itim. Itim yung band. Gusto ko yung mga ganito. Ganyan. At maliit. Meron akong malaking watch din galing from Imki, from Michael Kors. Hindi ko siya sinusuot palagi. Gusto kong suotin pero sobrang laki. Ito siya, oh. Ito siya, guys, oh. Gusto ko siya, 'di ba? Ang ganda, parang at saka gold ano siya, 'di ba? And yung battery kasi palaging napapatay. So maganda siya, oh, panglayuan, maganda. And ito yung relo na gusto kong suotin palagi pero masyadong malaki. Ito siya. Sobrang kailangan ko pang kukuha ng gas kasi walang gas. I mean, meron namang gas pero half tank, almost half. And then balik ako dito bukas gabi para sa pusa kasi, and then after that I'll probably go back with Tammy tomorrow night. Yeah. And let's see, ano pa ba yung ano ko kailangan ko. Makikinig lang tayo, guys, ng Kevin Hart, mga funny, like podcast, or na funny Kevin Hart. Okay? And then let's go. Alam nyo, guys, muntik na akong umalis and muntik ko nang malimutan si Hubs nga andun pala siya sa taas, ang nalako. Muntik na talaga, buti na lang yung instinct natin ba maging parang ina din instinct na lumabas na ako sa bahay at saka yung inisip ko is okay naman si Hubs, andito na, hindi naman yan magpakita palagi. So, lumabas ako. And then yung isip ko, parang hindi tama eh. Parang may mali, parang nalock siya somewhere. And hinanap ko siya, naisip ko, baka andun sa taas. Andun pala sa bathroom. Kasama ko kanina sa bathroom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you ready, Rox? Are you ready? Are you ready, baby? Ala, tumawag na sa amin talaga. Hello? Hi, why you're not attached to the car? Huh? Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Okay, now you're attached.
Yeah, what's weird noise, huh?
What's going on?
Where are you?
Just left the house.
Oh, okay. I just left the haircut.
Okay. I'm gonna stop to the gas station.
Me too. Me too, but I'm not stopping at Stewart's. I'm going to stop at, check or whatever.
Okay.
They're a little bit cheaper.
Well,
I'm
gonna stop here to the thing.
No, actually, I went in, he wasn't there again, so I figured I'd ask him. So, the girl said, let's cut my hair, put me in a chair, and then he walked in. And I said, oh, he's here. And she goes, well, if you want him to cut your hair, I said, well, he always cuts my hair, so I'd rather he do it. So she said, yeah, that's fine. So I moved into his chair and had to wait for him to...
We are here, guys, almost home to the other house. And yep. And Tommy is behind us. It's far away, but I thought he really is far away from me. But I saw him when I turned. I saw him. I'm in the local road, and he is in the highway. He's gonna be here. Dada will be here. Yeah, Dada will be here. And bumili si Tommy kanina. Sumunod si Tommy, di ba? Nakasunod lang siya. Hindi pala siya malayo sa akin. So, ang bilis pala ng takbo niya. Binilhan niya ako ng yun. Paborito ko yan sa gasoline station yan makikita. Masarap kasi ito, guys. Alam nyo ang laman. Kukwa. Yung parang kukwa ba? Yung parang masarap talaga siya as in. Si Tommy naliligo kasi, di ba kanina naghukay siya doon sa garage. Nag-ano siya ng namin, yung lawnmower namin. We're heading to hospital. You don't put the garbage today.
No, I wasn't here.
Hmm?
I wasn't here. I put out last time. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we forgot to put our garbage out there in our house. Now, nilagyan na nila ng mga kahoy, guys. Look. Giniba nila yung taas, and then you look good. He has a haircut, guys. He stopped from a haircut coming here. She really can't get walking.
She can't even stand herself up. When they try to get her out, Andrea said it was what a hard time it was just to get her to put her feet in straight angles. And she's like,
She cannot move it.
she's like, you're flat on your back for a week without moving, without standing up and walking. Your legs aren't gonna work right either. But
No,
you know, in her
especially
age, in her mind, it's
Yeah.
just way worse.
Yeah. Ganda ng ano ng hospital, guys. Bago daw tong tanim. Sabi ni Tami, bagong mga tanim. Ang ganda. Yan. Balik tayo hospital, guys. Hmm? Sparkly. Guys, see. Balik tayo sa hospital. Dito. Wala silang parking dito eh. So, doon kami sa kalsada kami nagpa-park. Sa gilid ng kalsada, free. Kasi wala silang park dito. Yun. Ang mga bulaklak oh. Bagong tanong, right, Han? They just planted this. It's nice and it makes color, Han. Different color. So you can buy like that different color?
Yes, but the tulips, their stems are very weak.
Yeah, I see. Oh, look at that. It died quick though. Back to elevator. I don't like elevator, guys. Para akong nasa aeroplano na lilipad. Na ano ako, na tutuyok yung utok ko. What? Han, my utok is natutuyok. See it. My utok is natutuyok.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you.
See it, eh?
Oh, thank you. I all told me not to for you. Well, for you.
Nagpahatid ako ni Tami, guys. Katulugon si Tami. Gusto niyang matulog pero kailangan kasamahan yung ina niya. Ako, uwi ako dahil the dog and just, you know, it's already time check. It's like 4:22 already ng hapon. Katulugon ming duha, guys. Oy, gusto namin matulog. Kagigising ko lang, guys. Grabe yung sakit yung puson ko. So, nakatulog ako mga anong oras yun? 4 o'clock ngayon. For something. Ngayon, 6:26 na ng gabi. Pero hindi pa, ano. Hindi pa gumagabi. Obviously. Pakainin ko muna tong aso kasi si Misty parang luka-luka na. Gutom na ata to. Okay, that's good. Hi guys! Isabel. My sister-in-law just gave me birthday gift. Oh, this is nice earrings. How did you see this up?
Very nice.
Thanks,
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
You want something?
No, I'm gonna get going because I gotta order dinner.
Wait, you're...
I gotta order dinner. I gotta feed everybody. Yeah, I go.
Thank you, Is.
You're welcome. We had taken out steaks, but I knew they weren't gonna be defrosted, so I'll do that tomorrow.
Hi guys! Umalis na yung sister-in-law ko, guys. Pumunta lang pala siya dito para magbigay ng birthday card at saka gift. Na-surprise ako. I was surprised, son. Ano? Kakain lang kami. So, ito yung kainin namin, guys. Salad and chicken. Why there's always like Neuroshell NY color?
It's a scam. Where can I
There's a lot of scam, guys. Ang daming scam. Chicken and salad. Healthy tayo ngayon, guys. Diet tayo, guys. Diet. Yeah. You need oil. What is that, hon?
I'm reminding you.
Give me your
Time to
plate.
take pills.
Want the black olives? That's it.
Huh?
You want black olives?
I'm reminding you.
No. If you want, go
Time to
get it.
take
You like it
pills.
with your thing.
No, I dress up my salad when I work.
We're healthy today. Tonight. It's weird. It's been a long time, guys, na hindi ako kumakain ng salad. Na I'm not eating salad. Remember, right, Han?
Mm-hmm.
There's a time that I really love salad. I like it. I wanna eat it. And then suddenly, poop. No. Hello?
Hello, honey. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
What can I do for you?
Ma'am, don't do anything for me. It's a confirmation call just to verify. Like, is there anyone in your family or you had a cancer, honey?
Oh, my dog has a cancer, God forbid na.
Your dog?
Yeah, my family now.
Who had a... Your daughter?
Dog.
What type of cancer your dog had, ma'am?
Why you're asking?
Because we gotta give treatment to your dog.
You gonna cure my dog?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay, so what cancer he had?
Bone.
Bone cancer?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you stay? What is the name, dog of your name?
The dog's name Roxy.
Roxy.
Yeah, she's...
Like which kind of dog is it? Black, like a Labrador or German Shepherd?
No, it's an Australian Shepherd.
Australian Shepherd, okay.
I'm sorry, Rox.
What is a good time to come at your home?
No, I'm curious what you should do to help my dog. What are you going to do?
This is our job. This is our job.
Are you a veterinarian?
Yeah.
Oh, where? Where are you from? Hello? Are you? And first he's in the family, now he become a veterinarian. What the frick? So, did you hear that noise? It's like there's a lot of people in the background. It's like he is something somewhere in the road or something.
No, he's one person in a big room of people who do this all day long.
Really?
Yeah.
My God, guys. And that caller, guys, always call her spam Cula. What is spam? And then and question mark Cula. Anyway.
That's right. I tell you.
I'm sorry, Rox. You have a cancer, but like God forbid.
I tell you what Andrea asked the other day. They were trying to get Mom's new Medicare number. They must be the company that sent that back, right?
That back
and then
thing.
Medicare wouldn't pay because they used the old number. But now they're trying to get money for it. So now they lost. I told them too fucking bad. I care.
This send Mom a back brace, guys, because Mom always say yes and give information. So now I think the insurance doesn't want to pay with that because this not doctor's prescription and it's just somebody do it. So that's what happened. It's clear there's a lot of. I thought they're talking about of this calling thing. They're gonna stop it, government thing. They have that in the news.
It's getting worse.
It get worse, guys. Tommy feel bad with the dogs because they're kind of really unhappy. It's like there's a babies. Did you guys look at it? That like lie down with you. Good girls. Oi. Sorry, Rox. I have to drag you everywhere. You too, Misty.
You don't want to be home by yourself either, would you? You're very happy to go into the car.
Roxy doesn't have a problem, but for some reason they are very different here. But they're happy to be outside, but they're different. Like look at Roxy's face. It's like a sad face, baby. Why you have a sad face? I don't like to see that sad face.
Are you missing the kitty cats? Are you missing the kitty cats?
Look
Is that what it is? You're missing the kitty cats?
You know, something happened to Grandma. That's why we're here all the time. Oh, you have to wash your face before you go to bed.
You both gotta clean me. It takes two cleans.
Is it, Daddy? You're so dirty. Tommy got a haircut today, guys. Look at him.
Let's get carried away.
That's so annoying, and I don't like that. How about me, honey? Give me a kiss.
Sure. After he gets to lick you all up too. Now,
You see the good girl
Yeah,
too, like
go
what
to-
you did to Roxy. Like what you did to Roxy.
Oh, you good girl. Good girl. That's like it's wrong.
We're gonna go to bed, guys, very soon. Because we're gonna go to bed soon, han. Okay? Tell them to be quiet. Ay, you. Hoy. Natingnan yun. Nakadungog lang ganig tao. Na. Magwala na. Hey. What are you doing? Okay, do your business na. Then we can go to bed. Go, Pipi. Go, Pipi. Pipi. Look. She listening. Look. Go, Pipi. Do, Pipi. Look. Misty and Roxy. Look, nakikinig. Nakikinig talaga sila. Ay, si Pipi. Look, Roxy. Okay, let's go night. Okay, bye-bye. Roxy, come here. Hey. Anong time na? It's 9:36 na. Matutulog na kami. We're going to bed right soon. Han?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna...
Early morning.
Yeah, early Tommy. And I'm not gonna show you Tommy because he is half naked. Naked, baby boy. Naked. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys na lang next vlog. I will probably vlog tomorrow. Let's see. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And wala masyadong ganap today. I will see you guys na lang next time. Bye. Good night, guys. See you night, ha?
Bye, guys.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye.